Hello everyone and welcome to 6013 Emerald Sound Drive in Gulf Breeze, Florida. We are in the 32563 today. We are overlooking the sound, hence the name. It is a gray day, but nonetheless absolutely stunning out here on the sound. As you can tell, this listing does have a nice dock and a boathouse as well as a boat lift. So you've got all the things needed for life on the water. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home sitting at over 3,200 square feet. We do have the limestone riprap out here as well as stairs to go into the water. You've got a nice fenced in grassy area, so great for the animals or children to play. And you've got a wonderful outdoor area, lots of different places to entertain, as you can see. Got a lovely fire pit area, in addition to a covered sitting area here, an open deck, and a covered porch up there. Got these beautiful pavers. And through here you do have parking for 2 cars on this side, in addition to parking for 2 other cars on the other side, which I will take you to shortly. Do have an outdoor mounted TV, speakers, an outdoor shower. I cannot imagine what else you could need to enjoy life on the water. You've got all the places and then these just absolutely incredible views. Do have an 18 by 18 foot storage workshop area here. This would be great for storing things that you would typically keep in a garage, or kayaks, paddle boards. Outdoor area is fully fenced back here. I'm going to take us outside this gate and we will go check out upstairs. This is a hydro-powered lift. It will take you from the 1st floor up to the 2nd floor. More covered parking here. So you've got the string lights. We are in phase 3 of Quayside Village, near the end of a cul-de-sac. Neighborhood is equipped with sidewalks, very serene, very peaceful out here. Great neighborhood, very friendly neighbors. And here is the exterior of this gorgeous waterfront home. The exterior has been freshly painted from the siding to the handrails, doors. Very well taken care of. Very close to Highway 98 here. We're in the Midway area, so very accessible for anyone needing to travel from Pensacola to Destin. The home does have a gorgeous wraparound porch on the front of the home as well, and that is fully gated. The owners have this for their sweet dogs, but it'd be great for kids too. So you've got the end of the patio, or the porch there, and the other end of this side. Let's get inside and take a look and see what this home has to offer. Coming inside, you do have beautiful high ceilings. We've got 10-foot ceilings here and 8-foot doors for a nice grand entry. The home does have beautiful wood tile flooring throughout and a neutral paint color. Right when you walk in, you do have this storage closet here. Goes to the depth back of that light, where you can see that light back there. The owners have their Christmas stuff in here, so lots of storage in this home can really take the place of and replace the need for attics. You do have a dining room here. You've got those beautiful double windows overlooking, recessed lighting, and those beautiful high ceilings. And coming through the entryway, you can see your kitchen and your living area are open to each other. Got beautiful built-ins for extra storage, a nice modern fireplace, beautiful shiplap detail, and these stunning views of the water all around. Behind the living area here, you do have a wet bar. So you've got a sink, wine cooler, and extra added storage. The kitchen here does feature this beautiful shiplap underneath the breakfast bar. You've got great granite countertops in here, a neutral cabinet color, stainless steel appliances, lovely farmhouse sink, and a window overlooking the water while you do the dishes. This kitchen does have a walk-in pantry through that door there. Stainless steel appliances, once again, you've got a wall oven, nice island, beautiful shiplap detail on the side there as well. And a nice cooktop here. It is not hot to the touch and can boil water instantly. Pardon me as I don't know the name of that, but that is a fabulous feature. Leaving the kitchen, you will enter the hallway here, and that'll take you back to the entryway. You do have a greatly placed half bathroom here. Got a nice under sink storage, granite countertops. And behind the door here, you do have the commode. Nice shiplap detail in this room as well. Storage closet here, lots of storage in this home. Do have a nice walk-in laundry room with extra cabinet space in here. And countertops, which would be very useful for folding. Coming into the primary, you do have your own private balcony out here. This would be a great place to have morning coffee, read a book at night overlooking the water. Got a nice size primary in here, and we do have his and hers closets with custom built-ins. And hers is just even a little bit more fabulous. Got storage galore in this closet here. Beautiful built-ins. Beautiful and functional. What more could you want? Attached to the primary bedroom is, of course, the primary bathroom. We've got a fabulous jetted soaking tub here with beautiful tile work above. A nice window to let in some light. Tiled standing shower, walk-in shower. I love this tiled detail. To me, it looks like a sand dollar. It just feels very coastal, but really just a testament to the amount of detail that is throughout this home. Do have a water closet here and a linen closet here as well. Do have nice double vanities here with the granite countertops. Plenty of storage with all those cabinets and drawers. Very spacious primary bathroom. Let me take you to the next level of the home, which has your 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. These bedrooms are all a great size, and you can see water from every single one of them. Another cute little feature is these plant ledges on the stairs here. Be great for decor or plants. Once again, you do have the wood tile up here. And a grand hallway to take you to your 3 bedrooms. Coming into the first one here, you do have a ceiling fan. We can already see the water. And I adore this little nook. Such a beautiful view, even though it's a little gray and rainy here today. Absolutely stunning. Nice sized bedroom, and then you do have these elegant double doors to lead you to the closet, and this one does also feature built-ins for extra storage. All right. Second bedroom here. This one does have the windows placed a little different. You can see there are two in here. Each give a view of the water, and another great sized bedroom. And once again, you do have double doors with the built-in for the closets. The full bathroom these bedrooms share are equipped pretty well. I can't imagine what else you would need in here. You have another jetted tub with beautiful tile work, a tempered glass walk-in shower. On the other side here, you do have a partition wall for the commode. And this bathroom has two separate vanities, once again with those granite countertops. And I love the trend of the shiplap just going throughout the home here, just added character again. You do have a little vanity seating there as well. Coming into the third bedroom, they are currently using it as an office. Another great sized room. And then you do have two separate closets here. A bright window. Nice walk-in closet there. And we see another one of these romantic little nooks here overlooking the water. I can't imagine a better place to ride the Peloton. Once again, guys, this is 6013 Emerald Sound Drive, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, centrally located off Highway 98, but in a very quiet and secluded neighborhood. We are waterfront on the Sound, and this is a great property, guys. Come check it out.